Bonjour! Just a quick tip for those applicant na nag-a-apply for a visitor visa. Guys, you must know that kapag magsasubmit kayo ng sponsorship letter, there's no need for you to notarize that document, okay? So, just the signature alone from your sponsor will suffice. Hindi nyo na po kailangang ipa-notarize ang sponsorship letter because hindi naman po ito siya legal document na kailangang ipa-notarize. So, it is just really a written statement letter na galing sa sponsor nyo. So, ngayon, alam nyo na. Because I've read a lot of messages asking me about this, saying kapag kailangan ba nilang i-notarize yung sponsorship letter, then now, alam nyo na. So, I hope that this will clear things with you. And if may questions pa kayo relating to Schengen visa application, don't hesitate or don't be shy to send me a message.